Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Team Visionaries Auto. This is Will, and today we are going to show you a brand new G-Wagon, and only it costs 80,000. Let's check it out how it looks like. Let's go. Yo, here is our G-Wagon. Let's check it out how it looks like. Actually, this car behind me is 2016 G500, and now we upgrade to 2024 G63. The car spent us 50,000 US dollar, and we spent 30,000 US dollar to upgrade exterior and also interior. Let's check it out what we have right now. For the body kit, we upgrade all. It includes the grille, bumper, hood, fender, and all the lights. For more details, you see the logo is Night Edition logo, and the corner light is also Night Edition. Look at how big this front light it is, so aggressive. If you're driving the street, nobody will recognize this is an old car. The build is a symbol of the G-Wagon, and old model is very thick. Check it out our new style real light. And we also upgrade to 22 inches wheel. This is AMG edition, and that's my favorite kind of the AMG wheel. Looks more aggressive, and the red is just good as it is. So right now we are going to inside. Check it out how the interior, what do we got. This is soul of the G-Wagon. I love this song. Oh my god, this is totally changed. Did you remember what was it looks like? And right now we changed the whole dashboard, door screen, AC controller, and air vent, door panel, console, seat cover. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Pedal shifter. Even pedal shifter. Okay, let's start. I love the sound. Sounds like boiled water. Let's get in. I will introduce more details. When I came in, I had no feeling of I'm driving an old G-Wagon. This is just the same as a new G-Wagon. Look at this. Look at this. Window controller, the brand new AMG steering wheel, and the most important thing, the door display. Even though this is Android screen and this is main screen is basic by Linux, and the entertainment screen basic by Android, but the UI just looks same as the Mercedes-Benz. Okay, let's check out the AC controller if it works. Turn on the van. Woohoo! Turn lower, and the temperature turns higher. 7, 18, 19 degree, 20, 21. This is summer, so I would change to lowest. Let's check out the AC vent. There's also ambient light inside. Let me see if I can change the color of the ambient light. Ambient light. Color. Now I change to yellow. Yeah, it is yellow. And change to blue. Alright, here is blue. And green? What about green? Not bad. And any color. I love this color, purple. Okay. And also we have new clock. Just the same as the new model, the clock style and the cup holder. Not that big, but good to use. I can also remove it to clean. Same design as new G-Wagon, and also Let's check it out the mouse if I can control the screen. Going back, my Mercedes-Benz. So smooth. Also, we have storage box in here. In the summer, you know what's the most important thing? The seat vent. Every time I get into car, the first thing I will turn on the rear vent. Let's get in and let's have a ride together. Okay, let's go. Paddle shifter. I think the old G-Wagon is more fit for off-road because it's very. The old G-Wagon is born for off-road, but new style G-Wagon, I don't think so. But to be honest, the drive feeling of the old G-Wagon is like past. It's too old. I don't like it. But look at this. This is so enjoyable. And if I match the brand new interior on the old G-Wagon, I think that's the best match. To be honest, yeah, it is. Because the AC vent, ambient light, so good. But for the performance, for the off-road, definitely old G-Wagon. I will never drive my brand new G-Wagon to off-road. And yeah, for my safety. For my safety. And the horsepower also. Old G-Wagon is much stronger than brand new G-Wagon. I think that's the point. We upgrade the interior and the exterior. Okay, here is how we spent 30,000 US dollar to upgrade this car. Do you think it worth 80,000 US dollar? By the way, if you have more questions, please feel free to ask in our comment. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, Team Visionaries. Thank you very much. This is Will, and I'm happy to share my work with you. See you next time.